Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2020 Subaru XV CROSSTRek, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace and change your taillight bulbs in this car. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open the trunk, and over here we have lids. Okay, so in case if you have to change this bulb here, so how you do it? You open this lid, both sides are same. Okay, so just get what I'm using a butter knife. Just carefully, little by little, unclick it, because there are a lot of pins holding it. Okay, so just little by little, grab it with your hand and take it out. Okay, try not to break any plastic parts. So here we have a hole. I'm sorry, one second. So here we have a hole where we can actually get our hand in. So we put our hand, take our hand, spin the bulb and pull it out like this. Now when we have to replace the bulb, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the bulb with our hands. I don't want to touch it right now. What we're gonna do, we just take the bulb and just pull it out. Just pull it out. When you have the replacement bulb, put it back in, and same way you just find the position. Okay, find it and wiggle it in, spin it, and you are all set. Make sure it doesn't move or nothing like that. After that, same thing, put this thing in and click it in. That's it. That's simple. This thing is a little bit different. For this we're gonna need well, first of all, yeah, our tool, nano tool. So we're gonna remove these caps, okay, very carefully. 1 and 2. Remove both caps. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take 10mm ratchet, or 10mm socket with a ratchet, and remove these. You can also use a Phillips screwdriver. Remove 1, 2 screws. I got both bolts out. Just put them here, and we have our bulb light here. So to change the bulbs, we have to remove the light. What we're gonna do here, just make sure it wiggles. Okay, don't over force it. There are two clips holding it down, so don't over force it. What I'm doing here, so I'm being very gentle. Okay, you just put your knife here and you just try to unpry the light, but little bit, very slowly. Try not to break nothing, and eventually it's just gonna come out. So with one hand you're gonna pull, with the other hand you're gonna try to open it. That's it. Once we have the the light out, that's how we get to our bulbs. Just spin, remove, or this light here, spin, take it out. This is the turn signal in case you have to remove it. Same way, pull it off with your fingers, put the new one in, replace it, and that's it. Very simple. Okay, once you're done, just same way, just you want to try and make sure that these go in here. Okay, so I'm doing, making sure I'm straight here. Oops. Okay, make sure it's straight everywhere. Okay, once you are straight, everything's fine. Just lightly tap on the light, and that's it. After that, we're just gonna put back our two bolts. Okay. After we have two bolts in, just close the lids. Okay, so the little gap thing is on the bottom. Okay, I have to click it in. Well, guys, just click them in, and once you're done, you're done. Okay, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.